I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today, we're going to do some Italian baked steak. I'm going to show you how to do it with our new breading. First, take an empty plate, my handy dandy foil pan. I got about 3 pounds of thin sliced roast, soaking in a little bit of olive oil. We're going to dredge it with some Italian seasoning first. Then we're going to take our breading, throw it on the plate. Lightly press your steak into the breading. Now, depending on how thick of a breading you want, you might want to let it sit for half a minute to a minute, or just turn it back and forth, just like that. I'm going to get these all breaded up. I'll bring it back to you and show you the next step. Alrighty, I have all my steak breaded. I'm going to top it with some more Italian seasoning, but first, I have a pan in the oven. It's been in there for about 15 minutes. The oven's been at 350. I'm going to bring it out and show you the next step here. Alright, we got a hot pan, no oil. Put your steak right on there, however it fits on there. We're not going to get fancy. A little bit more Italian seasoning. Back in the oven, 350, 15-20 minutes. We're going to check it then, we're going to flip it, give it another 5-10 minutes, and it's ready to eat. I'll bring it back when I'm ready to flip it. Alright, we're going to check on our Italian baked steak. Give me 1 second. Alright, so coming along nicely. What I'm going to do to finish it off now, I'm going to give it a nice coat of cooking spray, and we're going to crisp up the top. We're going to put it in underneath the broiler. Watch it, maybe a minute. It's going to crisp up fast for you. I'll bring it back to you when I'm done. Alright, I just took my Italian baked steak out of the oven. Let's see the final product. Nice and crisp, juicy, tender. Enjoy.